Yo, what the fuck is good, boys? Let's go. Sorry, this is the NASDAQ, so I'm kind of close to a trade. Completely different strategy, but crypto, boys, I mean, let's look at a 2 hour chart. So each candle is 2 hours. Look at this green, boys. All right, the 15-minute look even more drastic. Like, oh, this is just insanity. And I'll actually go to the day. But so, I have been calling for this for so long. If you watched my last video, right, I was saying, here's Bitcoin. I was pretty much saying, right, we were down here during my last video. I was saying we might come down and take out these areas of liquidity, but I think that would be the last draw. If not, we just have another sideways action. Pretty much calling the bottom. Um, that same as well for Solana. I bought a shit ton at 67. Um, right here, right as soon as we hit this, I bought so fucking much at 67. And I've really been buying. I've actually been buying Solana this whole entire fucking time. I think it's the Silicon Valley of crypto. I think Solana is the fastest blockchain there is. There's a proof of history, proof of concept. What's the one thing that defies gravity? That's speed. That's pretty much my. I don't know why I don't want this indicator on this for now. But that's my pretty much bull case on Solana. I'll make a whole video. So this video right now, I'm just gonna explain what the crypto market's at right now after this big pump, and then the next video on YouTube after this will be what coins that I think you should probably look into buying. But if you have been following me on any socials, you know I'm a Solana maxi. So I'll get into all that later. But pretty much, this is the daily chart. So every candle, like, right? This is one candle. This is one candle. This is one candle. Those are a day because I'm on the daily time frame. Um, we were in this for so fucking long. This range for so long. You're like, oh, why are you guys so happy? Well, I mean, think about it. We are up like 30% from the lows. But it's just proof of life now, which is great. But and it's also how cycles work. But and some couple other notable figures we're calling for the bottom. I think we could still very possibly take out these draws. Maybe, I don't know. I honestly think this was the bottom, and now we see this boring sideways action for a couple months before the bull run starts. That's what I hope. Maybe we just start the bull run now. Um, when I say start the bull run, I say really we just start to take off. I hope we have a little more sideways, a little retrace. I hope we have a little more sideways movement before then because I'm buying, right? I'm buying. I'm doing everything I can to make money. I'll also get into meme coins, all right? Meme coins. I actually don't want to go on that tab. I don't know if my wallet's open like that, but meme coins, right? You can lose a lot of money, so that's why I haven't really talked about them yet. Because like the worst part to be right now is sideline and not have any money. So next video I'm gonna go over the top 3 major cryptos I think you should buy, and then I'm gonna go do a whole nother video and be a separate video on meme coin trading. That's how you can kind of rack up your Solana, rack up your money. But honestly, I suggest getting like a job. There's nothing wrong with getting a job. Get all the hours you can. They're working that shit. Try and get like $800, $900 a week paycheck. Dump. I'm not telling you how much percentage of my paychecks I dump into crypto. I dump so much. For legal reasons, this could all go down. That being said, now that I've said that, I, yeah, like yes, last like there's been like I've been dumping for so long my money in. You can shit on me, whatever. Right now, I don't know why you wouldn't. Like this is literally the most free money, especially right here. Like that's why I was going crazy this summer working. I was buying so much during this sideways action, where I wanted to continue this till the end of October. Because my job is mostly like I work help my cousin at a driving range, and that would kind of end on October, and then I'd have all my money really in. All my more possible money that I have coming in. Um, so yeah, but I've been rinsing Nasdaq and meme coins and 9 to 5, just dumping everything I can into. I'll tell you what cryptos later, but I've been doing that for the past pretty much 4 years, but heavily these past couple months. Just because, like, yeah, even if we go lower, I'm fine going up. And like 1 hour, like we have. Yesterday was probably one of the best days of all time. Um, it came out that here. Let's go to Watcher Guru. This is just unbiased news on you want to know what happened, Spotty. And I want to go to this. That's crazy. Retail's back. Excuse. But pretty much yesterday was an all-time day. Yeah, well, I don't know. Moderna, pretty much everyone loves to hate on AI. I don't want to get into that right now. This is like one of the first like if you're an AI defender, it was getting kind of hard. This helps you so much. This was an absolute crazy breakthrough in finding a cancer cure. Moderna went from 60, 65, now they're trending at 130. That's a 3x, right? Fucking insane, or 2x, sorry. But I think they're now at like 180. Pretty much you could have gone at almost around a 2.5, 3x. Billions of dollars have gone into that. So that's great if AI can do that. I don't really know why I brought this up, but Moderna is tokenized on Solana. But I kind of want to wrap this video up by saying, why are we finally now? Why is this only 1 minute? Why are we starting to go? Look at this up. This is a crazy move up. Why are we finally just starting to go up? And why was it obvious? Why could I have been buying here? Well, yes, like holy moly. So just to put in perspective on how much we've gone up and how much we've been going sideways, I think the bottom was here. Very well retraced, take down lower levels of liquidity, but a couple noticeable figures. We had Ansem. I'm pretty sure he's live right now. We had Ansem calling for. We had Ansem calling for a bottom. Not really calling for one, I guess. Yeah, but he a meme coin named Ansem, where 65% of the fees and supply he controls. That ran up to a couple 100 million. There's being projects being built on that. So he kind of saved the trenches. And when someone says trenches, they're talking about meme coins, mostly Solana meme coins. So he kind of saved the trenches, got meme coins active again, which brought just a lot of retail back. And retail is just like normies, like people, brought a lot of people back into crypto. And that's not even like what Solana's main use case is for. It was just such a fast blockchain where people started making coins on it. But notice with Ansem, he's called out. He helped called out the bottom. He's called out the bottom 3 cycles in a row. He called out Dog with Hat. He called out Solana a while ago. He's called out everything. So I would follow Ansem right now. I made a lot of money off Cousin Crypto too. This is great sauce for you guys, by the way. Follow these Twitter accounts. I made a lot of money off Solana. This guy called Solana like sub dollar, like 5 cents type shit. Really funny YouTube videos too, actually. But yeah, just some sauce right now. I'll kind of get into more and how to navigate crypto Twitter, how to navigate meme coins, FOMO, the app, and all that stuff. But for now, follow Ansem, follow Cousin, and I would wait until I post a video and kind of going into, I'll explain the difference between Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, but do your own research right now. Another one that's been going crazy is Hyperliquid, which is pretty much on Solana. It's a perps where you can leverage trade any stock, crypto, 24/7, and that goes beyond crypto, right? That could like if all finances on that, that's crazy. And why pretty much a major reason why we are pumping today. And Trump, this could be a generational news conference. When Trump spoke about crypto yesterday, he literally could have marked the bottom. He like the one thing Hyperliquid's problem was that they're facing is, will they even be allowed in the U.S.? will the U.S. say they're legal? Blah blah blah. Trump, this guy was definitely in hyperliquid longs. As soon as Trump says hyperliquid, this guy's smirking. But Trump says like we're gonna work to bring hyperliquid into the U.S., which is like the one thing that they were fighting, which super bullish. I'm pretty sure they went from like 50 to like 80, 70 something. I don't know. If you were in longs during that, crazy. But just Trump saying hyperliquid, like pretty much hard shilling hyperliquid, is just hilarious. An absolute all time. Yesterday was just an all time day. This is an all time clip. It could literally mark the bottom. So yeah, I'll kind of get into Solana. Pump is just another place where you trade meme coins, but I kind of want to go over the market, right? The last video I said we're in a bear market, obviously, and we're coming to the end of it. I didn't know exactly if we take out another draw or what. We didn't. We're starting to rip. We could still retrace and take that out, but that's pretty much where we are. Like 2020, right? We have a bull market, right? Bull market 3 years, 2 years. This one was like about 2 years. 2 years bull market, we're up, and then we go down. 2 years now. So if I pull out I kind of went over this last video. Yeah, I want to see if I got wicked in my trade in a second. I gotta wrap this up. I might be in a trade on NASDAQ. Where is shows you like the percent? I did it last time. Yeah, price range. So this bull run, right? This bull run right here. Showing you bear run. This bear market was about what? Should be 80%. Yeah, 70, 80%. Like computer glitching. 70, 80%. I actually hate my laptop sometimes. Like my PC bugging. You get the gist of what I'm saying, right? We usually go down 60%. Like, what the fuck are you doing? 60, bam. I honestly thought we had a couple more draws to take out, but each bull market we do get stronger. So that's pretty much where we are, right? We move up a couple years, we move down for a couple years. I think we have a couple. I think we have a little sideways, maybe another draw to take out. Still boring action, but pretty much the update from last video is we have had this massive leg up, right? Which could very well have kickstarted the bull run. There's a lot of activity coming up. So pretty much you are. This is moral of this video. Last video was you do not want to be sidelined. You want to be buying now. Moral of this video is that whole thesis is confirmed by this massive move up. That crypto's not dead, right? That it does move in cycles, and that a bull run is around the corner. So follow me. I'm gonna be posting a shit ton on TikTok, X. I'm very active on X because I can just do a quick tweet. I hate posting on TikTok, but I'm still working up to that. So we're gonna be active on TikTok. I'll put all the links in the bio, in this description. Hopefully it's already on my page, but make sure you're up to date. I'll also put out my FOMO when I talk about meme coins. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Pretty much it just solidifies that the bull market is around the corner. Watch my next video on what ones to buy. I'm also very active on TikTok, like I just said. I'm pretty much just repeating shit, but that's where I'm active at. I'll be constantly updating my positions. Like I'll go over my targets, all that stuff later. Yeah, welcome to the bull run, and welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.